Hello friends, my name is Atit. Today we are going to draw different kind of trees. For that you need to take it flat brush and round brush and some poster colors. Now we are going to start it. Take it brown color first for showing the branch of the tree. Here I am taking a brown color. Two cows with a brown color. Fill inside. Few zigzag line at the end point. Again few bifurcations going upside. Here are the small tiny branches. Now I am going to take it light green color and a flat brush for showing the bushes. Make it few patches on that branches. I am using light tone first, and then I am going to use a dark green color for showing the dark tones. Here I am using a flat brush. Even also if you got a fan brush, you can use it your fan brush. Here my bushes is ready. Now I am going to make it few dark patches on it by using dark green color. If you want to show some yellow patches on it, a fresh new leaf, you can take it lemon yellow color to show it on it. It should be giving a light shade. Few black color toning. Take it black color for giving the darkness of the tree. It should be merging a little bit with a dark green color. Few patches on the upside by using flat brush. Now I'm going to take it detailing brush for showing the details. So in the branch, now I'm going to make it few strokes inside which shows a natural tree lines. few edges, again going towards downside, few strokes going towards downside, few strokes on the tree. It should be thin, don't make it heavily dark. Here my tree is ready. Now I am going to make it one more new style, coconut tree. Little bit black color and brown color I took it inside. From downside it is thick, and from at lower side I made it thin. Now I am going to take it dark green color. Dark green color for making a strokes. Here I took dark green color. Now same dark green color I am going to take it for giving the strokes of the coconut tree. When it goes curve on right side, you have to turn it right side. When it goes to left side, you have to turn it and you have to give a strokes left side. Even on upside too, if you want to make it both the side, you can make it both the side. Same thing here, both the side. First you need to take it big and then small. Here I made it few strokes on my coconut tree. Now I want to make it dark, so I am going to take it black color. Here one curve, two curve, 3, 4, 5, 6 and center. Now few strokes inside to show the richness and the strokes. Here my coconut tree is ready. If you want to show a land on the downside, you can take it light brown color at this downside portion. Here few land portion, I took it color. Now I am going to take it water in my brush to show the textures. If you want to take it chocolate brown color, you can take it chocolate brown color for showing the mud. Few water at the downside. Here our mud is ready. If you want to make it a grass, few grass, you can take it a flat brush and a dark green color. You can give strokes like this. You can see here. Same thing here. Here our grass are ready. If you want to make it some grass nearby a land, here my grass are ready. If you want to make it small plant, you can make it small plant by using light green color. Here a small plant by giving a patches at a different levels. I am making a small plant here. Again I am going to take a dark green color on few of the patches of the light green color. Here my light green is done. Now I am going to merge it. I am going to merge it with my detailing brush. I am going to take a dark green color for the stems because plantations have mostly a dark green stems. A small tiny plants, merge it with the lines. Even also you can put it few flowers on it by giving a patches. I am going to take it red color. These are the flowers. Here I am showing you a difference between a tree, coconut tree and a plant. So these are the nature things that what you need to make it in landscape. You can make it this and you can try it in your landscape and try more landscapes in our sessions, more sessions in Education Plus Art. Thank you friends.